Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Salesforce for sales efficiency, full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of optimizing Salesforce for sales efficiency is essential for any organization. Begin by assessing your current sales process. Identify the key stages and activities involved in your sales cycle. Engage with your sales team to gather feedback on their experience with Salesforce. Review your existing Salesforce setup for any custom fields, objects, or workflows. Eliminate unnecessary complexity by streamlining customizations. Ensure your data is organized and up to date. Regularly clean your database to remove duplicates and irrelevant entries. Set up lead scoring to prioritize high-value prospects. Utilize automation tools to minimize manual tasks. Implement process automation for follow-up reminders and task assignments. Create templates for emails and common communications to save time. Leverage Salesforce reports and dashboards to gain insights into sales performance. Customize reports to focus on key metrics aligned with your sales goals. Train your team on how to interpret and act on the data presented. Integrate third-party apps to expand Salesforce functionalities. Consider integrating with tools that enhance communication or project management. Evaluate the use of Salesforce mobile applications for remote accessibility. Ensure your team is trained on mobile functionalities for efficient on-the-go updates. Conduct regular training sessions to keep your team updated on system features. Foster a culture of continuous improvement within your sales team. Periodically review and adjust your Salesforce settings based on changing business needs. Celebrate small wins and progress to maintain motivation and buy-in from the team. Monitor performance metrics to assess the impact of your optimizations. Finally, iterate on your processes and adjustments based on feedback and results. This focused approach will significantly enhance your sales efficiency through Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.